So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, you want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. We will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. There will be giving you guys back-to-back updates on gold in the channel. So make sure you follow our Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day. Right now, our next target should be a push up to the upside. The reason why I said that is that if you have to zoom it out, you clearly can see that it is clearly on an uptrend move. Let's see something like this. This is our higher high, right? Here is our higher low. This is our new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So we should be expecting a new higher high. So we should be expecting our long term, or I would say for swing traders, we should be targeting a level of 2,600, something like that. So that is what I'm expecting, a push up. So if you have to go to your 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is clear kindly want to be our support level here. So there was a touch here which gave us a rejection of the market came again to test it again, and we had this movement up. Now market has dropped to test this level again, and we should be expecting another movement up. So we should be expecting bullish move on gold. Now if gold will actually break below this and start dropping, I'm going to update you on the Telegram. So stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.